Come test drive the 2003 H2. Hummer H2 performance optimizing engine technologies such as variable valve timing and the 6 speeds wide gear ratios, including all overdrive gear, enable the performance. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, mini spare tire, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.